Hello everyone, this is Palch the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you how to attach the stand collar to the coat. I'll show you everything very thoroughly. I hope that every one of you will manage to make such collars after watching my tutorials. Svetlana will help me. Do not forget to make a notch on the center back. Next we need to attach the collar to the coat. Pin the center back first. After that, you can start taking the collar. Have a look here. I remind you that there is no seam at the edge of the detail. This is why it's very soft, and it's convenient to work with it. A lot of people ask me how to make stand collars in outer clothes. This is why I decided to show you how to do it. I've already showed you several types of coats and jackets. I wanted to be able to make different colors in them. I want you to understand that when I show you how to make this or that garment, it doesn't mean that this is the only possible technique or the only possible design. Don't stretch or gather fabric when taking it. We didn't double the details before taking, but you should do it. This is very important. We didn't do it because we are making a mock-up. Notice that Svetlana is taking the outer edge of the collar to the main fabric of the coat. The sequence of actions is very important in this case. Watch what we're doing. We're showing you the most convenient way of working. We need to pin the beginning of the stand collar to the bottom stand. After that, we need to tack the second half of the collar. As I've already said, we didn't double the neckline, because this is just a mock-up. We didn't want to waste time on it. We've already showed you a lot of useful techniques and details in these tutorials. How to work with lining and interlining, how to top stitch them, how to cut the extra details from the seams. You should be more accurate when working. Very nice. There's one very important thing. A stand collar should be doubled with the same interfacing material as the facing and the neckline. This is very important. Do not forget about it. The interfacing material of the stand collar should be the same as in the other details. We tack the stand collar to the coat. This is how it looks like now. We'll stitch it next. After that, we'll remove the tacking. The width of the seam should be 7 mm. I'm tired of telling you that you should forget about wide seams. We are stitching the collar stand to the coat. Next, we need to remove the tacking and go back to the ironing desk. Svetlana is pressing the seam open. Be very accurate. Don't make any faults. The thing is that it's very easy to make them and very hard to remove them. Don't hurry and be very attentive. You need to do it very accurately. The seam is going to be hidden inside the collar, so this is the only possibility to do it. Be very accurate and attentive. I strongly recommend inserting stand collars this way. This is the best way to do it, the most simple and convenient one. It took us pretty long time to come up with this technique. The seam should also be ironed from the right side. This is how the seam looks like now. Next time I'll show you how to stitch the second edge of the stand collar. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.